Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, indaba ke ezibhlungu ke nengenayo zithi ke unjinji esimazela ke ku Khosi FM akasekho ke emhlabeni. Umndeni ke uye warelease ke istatement wathi ke the Magwaza family is deeply saddened by the passing of their beloved son, brother, father, husband and family member Mandla Njinji Magwaza, born on the 8th of December 1984. Bathi ke uMandla passed away earlier today in hospital after a short illness. But the family ke is shattered by his loss and they kindly requested privacy and a space as they gather themselves during this difficult time. Further information regarding memorial service nomngcwabo will be communicated in due course. The family appreciates the outpouring of love, support and condolences during this time. Basibethi ke phumula ngokuthula Njinji, phumula mabhulibhense manqondo yengwayo wena wakwajika bakhothame. Bakithi ke indaba ke lezi ke ezibhlungu kakhulu zokudlula ke kokade ke umsakazi ku Khosi FM owaziwa ke ngoNjinji. Ngizomkhumbula nje, ngimkhumbula kakhulu lapha na ke nomama ke uDudu Khosi mase memesethi Njinji. Bakithi ya indaba ezibhlungu ngempela nje, unyaka uqala sekukuningi kakhulu ke esesikubonile. UNjinji ke bakithi ubengasekho Khosini, angazi ukuthi ube sesebenza kuphi, kodwa nje ngiyakhumbula last year noma ke ngo-2024 washiya ke uKhosi FM. uNjinji washiya ke okhosini, bengasekho ke okhosini ke FM, bese mncane kakhulu bakithi umuntu ona 42, umuntu ona 84. Awu hayi cha, engathi ke umndeni ke nabangani ihlobo kungaduduzeka ke kulesi sikhathi ke esinzima ke kangaka. Sizomkhumbula ku Khosi FM, sizomkhumbula ngezwi lakhe. Bekumnandi ukwazi ukuthi noma engasekho Khosini kodwa ke ukhona ke uyaphila. That brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share with us ukuthi ke wena umkhumbula ngani uNjinji wo Khosi FM. Bye.